Here's a giraffe. We must find that giraffe before it's too late. Well, where is the giraffe then? I don't know, Roger. I don't know. But we shouldn't give up either. We must find that giraffe. So where else do we find... So where else do we go find that giraffe then? I have no idea. Can we look at the monkeys? We're at the zoo. We don't have time to see the monkeys, sorry. But I want to see the monkeys, and I want to see it now. I'm sorry, Roger. We just find that giraffe. The fate of this world depends on it. You want to do the right thing, don't you? What? Protecting the great giraffe is the right thing we must do for now. But I want to see the monkeys. Some other time we will maybe. We can't let those evil devil worshippers win. I'd much rather see the monkeys than save the world. Saving the world is boring. Roger, you need to focus on what really matters. It's not only what you want. Shut up! Let me see the monkeys, or else I will shoot. I'm a dragon. I fear no bullets. Quit with the ancient parable stuff. I don't care. I want to see the monkeys now. Give me monkeys. Give me monkeys, or give me death. Give me monkeys, or give me death. Give me monkeys, or give me death. Fine, you go see the monkeys without me then. I'm going to save the world without you. So what? Your friend Corey wants you to do the right thing. He will be mad. I don't care. There's Smokey the Dragon left the zoo while Roger stayed to see the monkeys. Yeah, let's go see the monkey. Monkey zoo. Oh no, that's dumb and stupid. This is not good. How about you put down that orb? Put down that orb and eat bananas. Bananas with us. And for God's sakes, stop wearing those clothes. We are monkeys. You're not the Pope. Yeah, what are you, Catholic? No, I am the prophet. I am the great prophet of the spider monkey Zoophilus. No, you're not. No, you're not. Your name is Benny. Shut up and eat your bananas. Eat your bananas with us. And eat some food in your diet. I'll eat later. I am full of high spirits. I am not hungry. I must speak with a prophet. I must fight. I must fight him. Yep. Oh my God, these monkeys are talking. About Zoophilus? Why does this monkey over there think he knows who he is? How the hell does he know who Zolfus is anyway? I am really confused. Usually animals don't talk at the zoo. You Roger it is? It? Yeah. How do you know my name? I know Zolfus. He is the spider monkey. I predicted you coming over here. Why is Zolfus a monkey? I'm confused. Go with the dragon and find the giraffe. Okay. Rats! Now you're telling me the same shit, damn it! I'm sick of it! Do it or else the world is going to get worse. The world is going to get worse if you do, yeah. I don't really care. I'd rather do what I want and not save the world. So, monkey, shut up. Everyone stop telling me what I must do. Stop telling me what to do. But you're the chosen one. I envision it. I don't care. Let the world burn. It's going to get hit by a meteor and die. Just the same as my family I never had. It's time the meteor, it's not the meteor we should be worried about. It's a spiritual conflict. This time, that must be stopped. Why are you crying? You should be fighting off the toy birds. Leave me alone. So Roger ran into the girls' restroom. He used the toilet and he used the toilet and looked in the mirror, but instead of seeing himself in the reflection, what the fuck? Behold, it is I, the spider monkey god, Zolfus. What the fuck? What? But Zolfus is not a monkey! What am I looking at? See? Zolfus is spider monkey. Funny. Are you alright? What are you doing in the women's restroom? Mommy! Is that a dinosaur? I'm scared! So now the women find out that he's in the girls' restroom, and then and Roger ate all the women in the restroom, devouring their flesh. Oops, I ate everyone here. Well, I better leave the zoo before they think I am one of their animals. They might lock me up. But first, before I leave, I gotta talk to the monkey. All right. But then, hey, monkey, what the fuck was that? That thing I saw in the restroom. Hello? I'm trying to talk to you. What the fuck? It's no wonder zoo animals are so dumb. They belong here in this mental asylum. I must be seeing things that ain't right. Why was Zolfus a monkey? Zolfus is a monkey? That's something I didn't know about him. That was pretty weird. Then Roger the dinosaur left the zoo.